Hey guys, I'm Phillip with Growth Machine HQ. Thanks for choosing us to help you streamline your calls, bookings, and follow-ups. Our goal is to help you run your business with less stress and never lose leads again. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to start your 14-day free trial and get your dashboard set up the right way. Let's get started. First, go to our homepage at growthmachinehq.com. Once there, go ahead and click Pricing at the top. Scroll down to the plans. You'll see Kickstart, Growth Engine, and Pro Domination. Pick the one that fits what you need. For this walkthrough, we'll choose the Growth Engine plan with the 14-day free trial. Enter your company info, then click the button that says Activate Free 14-Day Trial. Choose your plan again on the next page. Enter a coupon code if you have one. Add your card details and start your free trial. Next, you'll be asked to book your onboarding call. This call matters because this is where we set everything up the right way from the start. We connect your calls, texts, reviews, and tools. We customize automations around how you actually run jobs. And we set goals for the next 30 days so you start seeing results fast. People who skip this step usually run into delays or things not working. This call prevents that. Everything else in this settings area will be covered during your onboarding call. Confirm your meeting. After that, click the green button to open the survey form. Fill it out so we know your services, hours, and how you handle leads. This helps us set up your system without guessing and saves time on the call. Once the survey is done, check your email for your login link. If you don't see it, check spam. Copy the link, open it in a new window, enter the email you signed up with, set a password, and log in. Now let's set up a few key items. First, download the mobile app. Click Send Link, enter your phone number, and you'll get a text to install the Lead Connector app. Use the same login you used for the dashboard. Next, connect your Google business profile using the email tied to your Google listing. This lets your reviews sync and makes sending review requests easy. We can connect Facebook during your onboarding call. If you use Stripe, you can also set that up here by following the steps. Now we'll finish your business profile. Click Settings in the bottom left. Fill in your business name, legal name, business email, website, niche, and currency. Make sure the legal name matches what's registered with your state. Click Update Information. On the right side, enter your address, city, zip code, state, country, time zone, and language. Update that section as well. Scroll down to the Business Info section. Choose your business type and industry. Select your registration type. For the US, this will be your EIN. Enter your registration number. If your business isn't registered, you may run into issues with text message verification. Everything else in this settings area will be covered during your onboarding call. At this point, your trial is active, your dashboard is live, and your basic setup is done. Your onboarding call will handle the rest so you can start booking more jobs without missing calls.